6.
Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Glenn speaking. How may I help you? Certainly, sir. Do you have the menu with you? It is on the table next to your bed. Did you see it? May I have your name and room number, please? Thank you for that information. Okay, Mr. Poblete of room 405. May I take your order? Would you like some bread and coffee? How about some drinks to go with it? Is there anything else that would you like to order? Okay, Mr. Poblete, may I repeat your order? Your order is bread and coffee with drinks. Is that correct? Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like us to deliver it right away or specific time? The total amount of your bill is 600 pesos. Are you paying in cash or charge it to your room? Okay, sir. Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day.
Good day, sir. I'm Glenn Mendoza, your room service attendant for today. Is this the room of Mr. Mendoza? May I come in? Yes. Thank you, sir. Would you like me to place your phone? Would you like me to set up the table for you? Would you like me to open the curtain for you? Is the AC temperature okay? Or would you like me to adjust it? Would you like me to turn on the TV for you? Alright, sir. Allow me to present your food to you. This is your order American breakfast. Scrambled egg, white toast with bread, porridge served with golden cream, orange juice, sausage, and ham. You're welcome, sir. Is there anything else that I can help you with? Here is your bill, sir. May I have your signature, please? Okay, thank you, sir. I will come back after 45 minutes to pick up the tray, or you may leave it outside your door when you are done. Thank you and have a good day.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Alcian's Coffee and Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes.
May I have your name, please?
Johannes.
Okay, sir. I reserve your table for today's this way, please. By the way, sir, I'm Glenn Mendoza for your food server for today. May I lay your table again, sir?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Please, your water. Do you have some more?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. May I present our menu?
Yes, sir.
I'll be back to take your order later. Excuse me, sir. Sir, may I take your order?
Caesar salad and steak.
Okay, sir. Excuse me.
Okay.
Ikaw kumain. Excuse me, sir. May I present to you this wine? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I present our wine
Yes.
made in 1997 from California. Can I open this for you?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Do you want some more?
It's okay.
Excuse me, sir. Your order will be served for 15 to 20 minutes. Are you willing to wait, sir?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your Are you done? May I please?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. This is your main course. That one called is lipstick.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done?
Yes.
May I clear?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill. I received 1,000. I will be back for your change and receipt. Thank you for dining with us, sir. Hope we see you again.
Okay, thank you.